Hey guys, custom watch faces look really good on Amazfit Active smartwatch, but in this video I will be talking about a new way to install these custom watch faces for the watch, which requires a QR code. And obviously while installing these custom watch faces you will be facing a lot of problems because the watch faces will not get installed, or you will be facing a lot of delay in installing these watch faces. But today I will be discussing about a way with which you can install these watch faces, and that is to via QR code. And in this way, if you install the watch faces, you will get a lot of more success rates because it involves QR code which you need to download in your device before installing the watch faces. And even if your phone is not connected via Wi-Fi, then also you can install these watch faces, or even if it is not connected with your Zap app. So definitely this way of installing the custom watch faces is new. First of all, to install this type of watch faces you need to come to the Zap app, which is the official app for the Amazfit watches, and definitely you need to activate developer option mode, which is available in the Zap app. So to activate the developer options you need to go to the profile section, and in the profile section you will get the option of settings. You need to go there, and in there you will get the about option. Once you go to the about section you will get the Zap logo. You need to just tap on it multiple times and you will get this message that the developer mode has been activated. Now what you need to do is go to the Amazfit app, which is available in the Play Store. So this is the app you need to install or activate the custom watch faces for the Amazfit Active smartwatch. So I just opened the Amazfit app, and you will be able to see that a lot of watch faces are available for the Amazfit Active Edge. First of all, you need to go to settings and obviously select the Amazfit Active Edge device. You have to select the Amazfit Active series, and in the select model you have to select the Amazfit Active Edge. So once you have done, you have to click on apply and all the watch faces will be displayed. And there are multiple watch faces which you can install for the watch. As I have installed this one, you can see whichever watch face you want to install, you have to select that, and once you have selected that you need to just download the QR code related to the watch face. So let's say I want to install this watch face. You can see I have got several options. So the option is install watch faces or info and comments. So if I click on this drop down, you can see there is install via Bluetooth option, which requires your Bluetooth to be activated, or your watch should be connected with the Zap app and also connected via Wi-Fi, or it should be having an internet connection. So I will just click on install watch face here, and once I click on install watch face, here I will be getting an option of ad free or see ads. I will be clicking on see ads, and it will ask me to select a watch face which I want to install. So there are two watch faces. I will select the top one, and let's wait for some time. So here I have got some more instructions, like the QR code has been saved to your gallery and next steps. So what happens is whichever watch face you selected to install, it will generate a QR code related to that, and that QR code will be saved in your gallery. If not saved, you can save it from here also. Save QR to gallery. Once you have clicked on that, the QR code will be saved in your gallery. So once the QR code has been saved, you just need to go to the device, and in the device you have to select the Amazfit Active Edge, and obviously you will get the general option, and in here you will get the developer mode. So this is the mode from where you can install the watch faces. So there are two options, watch face and mini program. You have to click on watch face and click on this plus sign, and here you will see that there is a scan option. You can scan the QR code directly or open gallery, and once you open the gallery the QR code will be right there. You just need to select the QR code from there, and once you select the QR code it will just install the watch face directly to the watch. And you can see my phone is now connected to 5G network only, so it is not connected via Wi-Fi. So obviously it is installed in the watch itself, and the new watch face is right here. So I will try with another watch face and see whether it is working or not. So I will install this beautiful watch face. What I need to do is obviously click on the install watch face option, click on see ads and select the watch face which I need to install here. So I will install this one. Come to the Zap app now, and here in the general option I will get the option of developer mode, and once I click on developer mode I will get this plus sign. I will click on scan, open gallery, and I will get the QR code right here, and it will take some time and it will be installed on the watch. So installation process is very simple and also fast in this QR code process, which is really good. So in this way you can install all the custom watch faces, and obviously it looks good on the Amazfit Active also. So this is what I wanted to discuss with you guys. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.